of introducing is it Janine Wilson of Delta Sigma Theta, who'd like to talk with the Galveston Alumnae Chapter partnership with GISD. Please come up and we will turn the lectern on.
Good evening.
Good evening.
To the Board of Trustees and our fellow community members, we are the members of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, the Galveston Alumnae Chapter. I'm going to ask the members to stand for me, please. These are our ladies who are here with us. We have proudly served Galveston residents for the past 75 years. The Galveston Alumnae Chapter was founded by a well-respected Galvestonian, Jessie Mae McGuire Dent. In 1941, Mrs. Dent, along with 5 other Galveston women, saw a need for an organization to have public service here in our community. What's more astounding about Mrs. Dent is not only did she found our chapter here in Galveston 75 years ago, she was a founding member of our sorority, which has been in existence for over 100 years. Mrs. Dent was very, very instrumental in making sure that we continue a service of public service, community service, and helping others. We have made it our mission to impact our community in areas such as economic development, where we've had workshops and seminars to empower residents on money management, home ownership, and personal saving loans. We do Thanksgiving drives every year. We do Christmas blanket drives, and we hosted a reality day for our area youth to help them understand how to budget their money based upon their income. Physical and mental health has been an area that we focus on here in Galveston. We participate in the Defeat Breast Cancer Walk, the March of Dimes support for premature babies. We work with UTMB with health fairs that we've had throughout the years. We work with NAMI. We've had AIDS and HIV awareness workshops for the community. All of the things that we have offered to our community in those areas have been free of charge. We've offered free testing. We've offered free diagnoses and support with area medical professionals. We make sure that our community is literate related to voter registration information. We have voter registration drives. We've helped get our citizens rise to the polls to make sure that we are people that are aware of the political needs in our community, not just nationally, but here locally as well. Last but not least, we have an impact in education. We are a service-oriented organization, but most of the women that you see here are educators here in the Galveston Independent School District. We work with our area schools through all sorts of areas in terms of tutorials. We are teachers, we're counselors, we're principals, we're instructional specialists, and our main goal is making sure we empower our youth in our community. We have supported young women through our Delta Gems and Delta Academy, and we also financially support them through our scholarship funds. We have been giving scholarships for every year that we've been in existence. Now, as you can imagine, our records don't go back 75 years, but I can tell you, over the past 20 years alone, we have given over $300,000 in scholarships to area youth, and these are youth who come from our Galveston schools, who return to our Galveston community. We've actually had some young women who have graduated, come back, and pledge the sorority and remain active members. We make sure that we have a partnership with our community, and that's what Mrs. Dent wanted us to do 75 years ago, and that's what we do today. We're very proud of the countless hours we've logged in service to our community, but most of all, we're proud of the financial support, because that's what helps our youth know that there's time for them to be able to go to college. They can afford it, and we can help them. We're here behind them. The financial and programmatic support efforts I just named have made an impact on our community. However, if you ever wonder about the presence of Delta Sigma Theta in Galveston ISD, I invite you to go to any campus and look around, and I guarantee you, on any campus, you will find a Delta woman serving, empowering, and supporting our youth. That is a legacy that Mrs. Dent left for us, who was educated here in Galveston. When she graduated, she came back to Galveston. She served as a GISD employee for over 30 years. She was the Dean of Girls at Central High School, and she also was a Latin teacher, and she remained instrumental until the day she died in 1948. So we thank you today for giving us this opportunity, and thank you for allowing us to continue to serve and to continue to partner with you.
Thank you.